Hi guys, we have an unboxing of the Galaxy A53 before the launch and it confirms a few things about the device. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Galaxy A53 and A73 are Samsung's next generation mid-range devices and they're expected to launch on the 17th of March, which is just a few days away. But somehow the Galaxy A53 has been going on sale unofficially in some regions. We saw one last week and he revealed a couple of photos of the A53, and while it didn't reveal much about the device, it did confirm the design. But this time we have an unboxing video of the Galaxy A53 from another user who unofficially bought the device. The video confirmed a lot more about the A53. We can see the design looks a lot like the A52 on the back and front, and it uses the same plastic material on the back protection. But I'm a bit disappointed because I thought the chin was gonna get a bit smaller. Anyway, it comes with a user manual, SIM ejection pin, and Type-C to Type-C USB cable, which is a really nice touch for a mid-range device. But it does not come with the charging brick included in the box. You would have to buy the 25 watts charging brick separately from a Samsung store or online, which I think is a really stupid move, especially for a mid-range device. And it's not just these mid-range devices. All other budget Samsung devices are not gonna have chargers in the box anymore. So the Galaxy A53, A73 and other lower A series devices, and also all variants of the M series and F series devices, are not gonna have chargers included in the box. It's bad enough that they're taking it out from their flagship devices, but the mid-range section is not where you want to be cutting corners by taking out the chargers from the box and reducing the overall customer experience and satisfaction. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.